What's going on, guys? Mixed here, back again for another American cocktail. This takes us on to state number 9, the state of Hawaii. Aloha. So this is Hawaii. So this is a very famous blue Hawaii, which did originate from Hawaii, unlike the Mai Tai. So this one was formed in 1957 in Waikiki. So the story goes like this. This was created in 1957 by Henry Kaiser Hawaiian Village Hotel, latterly the Hilton. So that is where this famous cocktail comes from, the famous Tiki cocktail, the Blue Hawaiian. Not to be confused with the Blue Hawaiian. So the difference you can make between the two is the Blue Hawaiian has coconut in it, because it's a lot more lighter in the bluish colour. That is the difference. So one has coconut rum, one doesn't, or the creamy coconut. So let's make this a drink. So this is Hawaii. Because there isn't a better summer drink out there than this one, because it's just absolutely fantastic. So what you want to do, guys, is get your hurricane glass and fill it with ice. So let's fill the hurricane glass with ice now. Time to fill this cocktail. So the first ingredient is 15ml or half an ounce of blue Curacao. So this is going to sit at the bottom and then layer on top. So we'll put to one side. What we're going to do now is get our shaker and fill it with 45 ice cubes. So the first ingredient is 22.5ml, 3/4 ounce of white rum. We're using Kingston. Next, 22.5ml or 3/4 ounce of vodka. We're using syrup. Next is 90ml or 3 ounces of fresh pineapple juice. Next, 10ml or 1/3 of an ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. Next, 10ml or 1/3 of an ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Last but not least is 10ml or 1/3 of an ounce of sugar syrup, or simple syrup it is known. So put your lid on, give it a nice bang, and give it a good hard shake. 8 to 10 seconds to get nice and chilled. So bring back your glass, give this a nice bang, separate. Put your strainer on and carefully strain it over the ice. So what you can see from the effect is that the blue is sitting nicely at the bottom. So just look at the colours of this. So you got blue, then it goes turquoise green, and then a nice like yellowish colour at the top. So what we're going to do now is put the maraschino cherry on top first. So there you are. So the maraschino cherry is on top. And now put your pineapple wedge. And there we go, one blue Hawaii cocktail. Doesn't it look absolutely fantastic? I cannot wait to try this famous Tiki cocktail. Because a taste of Hawaii itself, it looks fantastic. That looks absolutely beautiful. And there we go, my friends. One Blue Hawaii. How does it taste? Controversial, but I think I love this drink. I think I love it more than Mai Tai. This is a banging 10 out of 10. It's very fruity, it's very flavourful. It's just a perfect taste of Hawaii itself. That is absolutely fantastic because it's very fluorescent. It screams summer to you, screams Hawaii. It's got to say, you can just see yourself on a Hawaiian beach in Waikiki sipping one of these. That's absolutely beautiful. For me, that's 10 out of 10. It's got to say, is it my new favourite? It's very close, but does it take the #1 spot so far in the series? Let me know in the comments below. But that, my friends, has been the Blue Hawaii cocktail. Do let me know what you think. Which state should I do next for number 10? But I've been Mixing. This has been the Blue Hawaii. This is state number 9, Hawaii. But don't forget to like and subscribe to Mixing for more American cocktails like this, as I'm still doing the state challenge of 50 cocktails across the USA, as I'm on state number 9 and I'm on to state number 10. So continue, as we'll continue this journey onto the next one. But if you do, but just let me know in the comments below where you want me to go next. But I've been Mixing. This has been her Blue Hawaii. Cheers. That is absolutely beautiful. That tastes like summer. You've heard it here first. This is where the summer starts. In the UK, very rubbish weather. Today is a day that is going to change because we're going to have a nice heat wave. You heard it here first.